folks? Mark DLUX, DLUX Motorsports. Today we got a gorgeous 2017, I'm talking a beautiful truck, GMC Sierra 1500 all-terrain. This truck is in absolutely immaculate shape. Couple very small, maybe like fine scratches or something somewhere. You'd have to look hard to find it. You got one little tiny spot right there on the driver's seat, just from getting in and out. Factory carbon fiber leather, two-tone with the black inserts, upgraded off-road floor mats. Folks, this truck is in phenomenal shape. If you guys are out of state, we ship nationwide, anywhere in the country at wholesale cost. We take care of it for you. It's very easy, simple process. We can ship this thing straight to your doorstep. You can see how nice the paint is. The paint is in immaculate condition. You might find a small rock chip here or there. Very, very good shape though. You can see the reflection on the paint, how nice the paint is. No rust on the undercarriage, just basic surface that you would notice on any used vehicle. Venom power tires, 20-inch snowflakes. GMC all-terrain loaded, hard tonneau cover. Again, interior, exterior, excellent shape. Spray and bed liner. Again, look down the driver's side. You can see the reflection of everything in the background. Paint is flawless. You have the system, or the truck is pre-wired for stereo. You have bass controller right here that's mounted right here in the center of the steering, or center of the cup holder. Factory navigation. Like I said, upgraded off-road floor mats. The leather's still in very good shape. You got 63,763 miles on the clock. Carbon fiber door trim. Again, folks, this is all OEM factory. Bose stereo system. Truck is stock exhaust, no performance upgrades whatsoever. It is a 5.3, 8-speed transmission, folks. Don't forget that. This does have the better trans in it, full 8-speed. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 540-898-1300. We're located right here in Fredericksburg, Virginia, the #1 lifted truck dealer in the state. We do this for a living daily. We build them, we sell them, we buy them, we trade them. Anything you guys want lifted truck-wise, we offer. We got killer deals on wholesale wheels, tires, lift kits, anything you'd ever want for your truck. If you're one of my customers that has purchased a truck from us, or if you end up purchasing this truck, any upgrades that you want to do to the truck, you get our cost plus 10%. So it is extreme wholesale prices. Anything from amp step rails, lighting, train horns, wheels, tires, lift kits, like I said, the whole 9 yards. Again, 2017 GMC Sierra SLT all-terrain package, fully loaded, a gorgeous truck with the updated 8-speed trans. If you guys got any questions, give us a call, 540-898-1300. You can also go to my website at DLUXmotorsports.com. Don't forget, if you guys haven't already, like and subscribe, as we do nothing but post lifted truck sports cars on the daily. If there's a specific truck that you guys want to see come up for sale, drop a comment, let us know what you guys are looking for. We'd be more than happy to see what we can find for you. Until next time, it's your boy Mark. I'm out of here. Peace.